And we're back at Consensus Singapore. I'm Benny with CoinsNetwork, and I'm here with Jim, the CEO and co-founder of EMX. And EMX is an futures exchange, and here's Jim to explain a little bit more. Welcome.
Thank you. So what we're building is a new futures exchange, similar to BitMEX, but better. We're going to launch with not just crypto futures, but we're going to have equity, commodity, and currency futures all on one exchange.
Cool. So how long has the project been started?
So yeah, we started this company a year and a half ago. We wrote the first white paper spring of 2017, and now we're a team of 12 launching our beta exchange in the next couple weeks.
Cool. I guess, has there been any challenges in launching your beta at all?
Yeah, I mean, it's very hard to find good talent, especially where we're based in Palo Alto, in San Francisco region. And so finding good people is very difficult. There's regulatory hurdles, obviously, with launching an exchange, but we're trying to navigate those waters with our legal counsel.
Okay. In terms of being a futures, and you said also equity?
Well, we're going to have futures on equity indices, commodities, and currencies. So similar to how CME has futures contracts on all assets, we're going to offer the same.
So does ETF get into play here at all?
Not so much. We're purely focused on derivatives, purely focused on futures for the time being.
And then when you launch, obviously, is it going to be worldwide or is it more regionalized?
It's going to be worldwide, strictly non-US.
Strictly non-US?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll have full KYC on our traders to make sure there's no market manipulation, wash trading, some of the problems that exist in some of the current exchanges.
And pretty much after your beta, who is kind of like your test net right now?
Yeah, so we have a private beta going on, and that's going to be with futures traders from around the world. We're going to then launch a public beta and do a trading competition where we get users and traders from all over, and then we'll do we'll go live, launch the live exchange first quarter next year.
Okay. And then could you go a little bit over kind of, I guess, the network and like how it works, where this?
Yeah, sure. So in order to trade on EMX, you post collateral. So we'll accept Bitcoin, ETH, and our own token as collateral initially, and that'll allow you to trade various futures contracts.
What about any like fiat?
There's no fiat.
No fiat.
There's no fiat. Okay. It's only crypto. It's crypto native.
Okay.
So someone in Asia could post crypto and then trade U.S. markets, U.S. equities or U.S. commodities without the need for U.S. dollars.
Gotcha.
So it'll make access to markets a lot easier and more fair.
Okay. Very cool. So once, beta, what's the next steps, in the next 3 months? Because I feel like the public beta is going to be released.
Yeah, the public beta is going to be released. We're going to launch the trading competition to test out the system, acquire users, and get our brand and exchange out there. And then that's all leading up to the live money exchange.
And do you have like a strategic plan right now for acquiring users, or like certain partnerships? What's that gonna look like?
we're gonna announce that closer to our competition and closer to the live launch. But then there's going to be various affiliate programs, incentives for people to refer their friends and their trading partners.
Cool. So, I'm sure you've probably met a lot of people at Consensus that ultimately would be very interested in EMX in the future. How have you thought of the conference so far?
Yeah, it's good. I think the conferences here in Asia are very different from the ones in the U.S.
Yeah.
I've gone to both, but I've enjoyed my time here.
Cool. Is there any like last remarks that you want to talk about EMX yourself?
Yeah. I mean, I was a futures trader before. I was trading at Citigroup and a hedge fund in New York for about 10 years, and so I'm really excited to launch an exchange where people from anywhere in the world, around the world can trade the same products that I used to trade at the big banks and hedge funds. So we're really democratizing access to capital markets, and excited for people to test out our platform. So go to emx.com to sign up for our beta, and hope to have you trade on our exchange.
Sounds good. Thank you for your time. This has been Benny at CoinsNetwork. Benny's at CoinsNetwork, and Jim at EMX. Thank you.